National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Walker County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Dade County in northwestern Georgia, northern Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cooper Heights, or 9 miles southeast of Trenton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Tryon, Lafayette, Naomi, Center Post, Rising Fawn, Linwood, Sebigna, Settles Mill, and Vilano. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664 or tweet us your report at Atlanta.